The new Invoq miniCombi is a very effective oven on a footprint of only 51.3 centimeters, allowing it to go in to all types of kitchens. Could be a gas station, a small front of house cooking, without compromising the quality of the cook. Another benefit to the Mini Invoq is that it actually facilitates the possibility of a full 11GN tray coming in a 6 and a 10 tray version, allowing you to have all the capacity you want. You can even stack them so you double your capacity, or if you're in a kitchen where you don't have a ventilation system, you can add either the condensation hood or the Houdini. Perfect cooking in a small space without compromising the quality. Invoq miniCombi. Invoq Mini comes with an intuitive smart touch control. It's very easy to use. It's like a smartphone where you touch where you want to go. So when you go into manual mode, you touch here. In convection, you can set temperature, you can set your probe, but you can also set the fan speeds. You have up to 9 different fan speeds, allowing you to do very hard cooking or very gentle cooking if you do meringue or macaroons. It also allows you to swap between convection and Combi mode. In the Combi speed, you have 10 different steps of humidity that allows you to do bracing or to just preserve a little bit more of your color when you are roasting vegetables or meat. It comes in 10 different speeds where you set the intervals, and it comes with the accuracy of 1/10 of a second steam injection. In steaming, it gives you instant steam. It's a compact environment that just gives you steam directly. Within 10 seconds, you start to see the steam, allowing you to start cooking very fast. So you can steam rice or potatoes. If you want to do probe-based cooking, you simply push the sign here, and under this one, it allows you to choose between normal probe, where you set the temperature and it goes there, Delta T, where it slowly cooks the meat to give you a better yield, or cook and hold, where you can cook overnight. Overnight cooking gives you the ability to actually have your friend working in the kitchen while you are asleep. Besides the manual modes, you have the opportunity to control your oven even more to make sure of consistency and the right quality of products every time. As an example, the recipes. The recipes can be divided into groups. You can use some of the predefined recipes, or you can create your own very easily. To create a recipe is very simple. You touch this plus sign, and then you can go in and you can put in your name, you can put in the description, you can add your steps. So once you learn to use the oven automatically, you can easily adapt your steps into it. Every time you confirm a setting, you tick the tick sign. And the most important feature we've done here is that we allow you to put in a note step. The note step allows you to guide your users. Should they load the oven? Should they unload the oven? Should they load and remember to insert the probe? You can choose the icon and you can put the text you want there. Once the recipe is done, it's stored in the library. If your daily task is to use recipes, we created a feature we call QSR, Quick Select Recipes. Here, you can lock down the controller so that you have only your recipes available. You can scroll between them and easily select the ones that you want to do. You can give the front page a headliner, could be lunch, breakfast, dinner. It could be pastries, meat, fish. You can even add pictures for the recognition of the employee that's going to use the oven, makes it more easily. And you can even lock down the screen in this mode so they can only access the features you want them to use, including a selection in the bottom bar with a quick access to example, cleaning. If your type of business is very agile and want to ensure the quality every time, we have a function we call MenuPlanner. The MenuPlanner function is where you build your menus, and then with up to 10 trays, you can actually have timers running each of the trays. You have your menu, you start, and once the oven is preheated, you can drag and drop your menus down on the rack that you're using. This way, you can always ensure the quality of your products coming out. You can even combine products so the oven tells you when to load the second product for the two products to be finished at the same time. On each shelf, it can combine up to 3 different items and guide you when to load. This is the menu planner. The oven also comes with an automated cooking function. We call it SmartChef. By clicking the chef hat, you get access to the knowledge we have built in Invoq for easiness of use. You simply decide what type of product you want to cook. If you want to cook poultry, you choose how you want to cook it. I want to do a roasted chicken. And then you simply select which core temperature would I like to do and which outside color would I like to do. When you enter one of the features, it starts out with the recommendation that Invoq gives you. In the upper right corner, you can actually see these guidelines. And this way, you can actually learn from it. We call it see, use, learn, and adapt. An easy way on how to put processes together. And once you cooked once, you can save it. You can save it in your favorites, and you can put it into your QSR mode. SmartChef for easy cooking. If you're running an a la carte kitchen, where you have the oven set for a certain temperature, and you have the fuss of having a timer for each rack lying on your table, we also created a solution that can help you being easier in operation. In the manual modes, when you are in the timer modes, you can click the 3 dots over here. And if you choose rack timer, you have a timer for each shelf in the oven. You can even cook with the probe on one of these shelves, but it allows your team to help each other. If rack 1 is finished, another team member can take it out and the oven is ready for the next to use. After a long day of operation, it's always nice to have a clean oven the day after. Invoq miniCombi features Combi wash. Cleaning cycles where you can either flush down the oven or you can choose between 4 different cleaning modes. All of them dosage the cleaning chemicals itself. One of the upgrades with Invoq miniCombi is the new schedule. Here you can schedule the way you want to clean the oven. This way you can have a look in what your total cost of ownership is, and it's the timer here. You set which cleaning cycle you want to have at which time of the day to ensure the cleaning to happen, but also to control the cost of water and chemicals. With Combi Wash, you ensure a clean oven, giving you the right quality of products and the ease of use while your staff can go home. The Invoq miniCombi gives you a lot of support in your day-to-day operations. One of them is cook time correction, which actually helps you if you forget to preheat the oven enough or you load too much in the oven to compensate and still give you good products coming out. Can be adjusted in the settings and applied to your recipes for a smoother operation. It is automatically used in the SmartChef function and in the menu planner functionality. The multi-point core probe allows you to have the quality cooked to the right temperature every time. With the 3 center points, it always balances out and ensures the right food quality, avoiding overcooking your items. And on top of that, the core probe also gives data for the hazard reports. Food safety is a nice feature, and the oven allows you to store this. It holds a library of up to 60 days of all recipes and SmartChef functions that's been run. It gives you the production name. It also gives you the temperatures and the core temperatures, so you can prove that you cooked according to your guidelines. It can be downloaded via USB, or if connected to Open Kitchen, you can even download it online. Open Kitchen is the cloud platform that allows you to update software, update recipes, get out diagnoses, and see the life cycle of your oven, including which consumption of energy, water, and chemicals has been used. Connectivity to the cloud can either be via a LAN connection or through the Wi-Fi module. It's up to you. But if you want to see how your fleet of ovens is operating, Open Kitchen is a choice that will help you get the overview and ease your operation and save you money.